students, I'm on the front porch this year again, like I was last summer when I was on TikTok all the time. And I'm here with my dog, Bella. Bella is a vegan dog and she's been vegan since August 2017. I've been vegan since June 2016. And Bella's hanging out with me right now. And I am going to be trying some vegan ice cream and showing you how it is the same as any other ice cream. And I'm going to try to convince you to buy only vegan ice cream from now on. And Bella's going to hang out with me, but I'm going to put this on a tripod so that I don't have to hold it with my hands, all right? So say bye to Bella for now. Say bye-bye, Bella. All right. Let's go over here and put this inside the tripod here. I'm just on my front porch. And I have here two types of ice cream to show you. I have this one here, which is salted caramel cluster. Doesn't that look good? And I have these ice creams here that come in a box, and they are Daya or Daya, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. And they are just, you know, standard ice cream that you have on a stick. Sure, you've seen these before. Guess how many calories are in one of these? You guys think about that and we'll tell you later. But first, I'm gonna open up this one here. Oh, and if you're wondering who my friends are back here, these are two friends that make noise. This is Mabel. Do you see that? Mabel. And this is Martha. And these are two kind of toys, I guess, that somebody had thrown over my balcony last year. And I guess they were trying to tell me that I should feed my dog some bacon, you know, but I didn't do that because I don't want to hurt any other animals to feed them to Bella. As important as I think she is, I don't think that she is more important than the lives of pigs, chickens, cows, turkeys, or lambs. I don't want to hurt any animals for Bella, so I just feed her healthy vegan food. All right, so here we have some ice cream. I absolutely love ice cream, and eating is my favorite time of the day. It seriously is. This is salted caramel cluster, and it is made dairy-free. That means there's no violence involved. Now remember, if you haven't yet seen Dairy is Scary, I highly encourage you to watch that documentary. It's like a 5-minute movie that is made by somebody here in Canada, and it's all about the dairy industry, and it's really the dairy industry everywhere, not just Canada. In case you're wondering what my shirt says, it says, "Dear Animals, I promise to be vegan from now on." And it's something that I hope you will do too. That's why I am here on social media, to try to encourage people to eat vegan options instead of hurting animals. Now, in case you don't know, in the dairy industry, what they do is they forcefully take the sperm from the bulls. So that's masturbating them. That's wrong. That's sexual exploitation. It's rape. Then they force that into the female. It's also rape, sexual exploitation. Absolutely wrong, disgusting. They force her to have a baby. After her baby is born, they take away the babies. If they are girls, they put them back into this cycle of violence. And if they are boys, they are murdered and turned into veal. This is also really wrong. Who would want to murder a baby cow? A baby cow is essentially about the same size as my dog Bella. I can't even imagine isolating her and then like creating her in the first place with the intention of slitting her throat and draining all of the blood out and then eating her and then stealing her milk. It's just unbelievable to me that we as a society do this when there are clear options, and here's one of them. So we have this delicious ice cream, and it is made from the cashew base, so filtered water and cashews. Cashews are delicious. So you just basically open it up, take a spoon, and dig in and look. It looks the same as any other ice cream, and it feels the same as any other ice cream, and it tastes, honestly, so good. I wouldn't lie to you. Look, I'm gonna tell you, I'll be the first one to tell you that when I tried vegan cheeses, I don't like them all. You know, there's some I like better than others. Today we had a really great pizza that had vegan cheese on it, and it was good. But this is honestly really delicious. So please try it. Next time that you are out, go to your grocery store and say, "Do you have any vegan ice cream?" And if they say, no, then you say, why not? You have to normalize it. You have to act like it's normal. Why don't you have any dairy-free ice cream? It's 2021. You mean you guys still exploit animals here? You still exploit cows? Like, come on. And the more that we talk this way, the more that we absolutely normalize the word vegan and dairy-free, the more people will buy these products and the less cruelty there will be in the world. I know the dairy industry doesn't like what I'm doing, and they try to report my videos and they try to have them taken down, but it's really important that we tell the truth all the time. We want a vegan world. We want to stop hurting animals. We want to talk about speciesism and how it's wrong. Speciesism is the first form of racism. It is the purest form. It is teaching people that one type of animal is more important than another, and that's just not true. So here again, these are the Daya version, or Daya, I don't know how you pronounce it. And it says creamy vanilla bean bar dipped in rich fair trade chocolate. And in this package you got 3 of them, and it says here that it is, where's the thing? Here it is. 190 calories for 1 bar. Okay. And I would show you the bars, but we already ate them. This thing's empty. So, but the other ice cream this one isn't. So please remember to get dairy-free ice cream when you're shopping. Ask for it. There's many different brands. When you're going to get an ice cream cone outside this summer, no matter where you go, ask for it. Even if you go to McDonald's and you know they don't have dairy-free ice cream, ask anyway. Just say, hey, do you have a dairy-free option here? Do you have any dairy ice and dairy-free, like cruelty-free ice cream? And of course, there's probably going to be some 16-year-old at the cash who's going to be like, what's that? Or I don't know, or no. Whatever it is, you keep bringing it up, you keep normalizing it, and then they say no, then you say, oh, that's too bad, and then you walk away. That is activism. That is actually speaking out on behalf of the animals. Just going up to a cash and saying that, whether it's a donut shop or wherever it is, do you have dairy-free milk? Do you have almond milk? Do you have soy milk here? Do you have oat milk here? Even if you know they don't have it, you say it and you keep repeating it every time you go into a new place. And eventually they'll get the message. You know, it takes 100 clicks until you become vegan. And even the people at the cashes, and even the people who own the restaurants, and even the people who own the bars and the stores, they all need to get their clicks too. For example, the grocery store here in our local neighborhood, they don't always carry the soy milk that we want, which is the big 2-liter one. So when we go in there, we remind them, hey, you know, we're still here. We still want it. Don't forget to order it. I'm like, oh yeah, okay. So thanks a lot for watching. Thank you very much for supporting this channel and for supporting all animal rights activists. And don't worry about Bella. For those of you who think something's wrong with her, she's totally fine. I keep repeating this over and over again. Now she's 6, something like that. 6, we don't know. We adopted her. I think she's about 6.5 years old now. And she's perfectly fine. And I'm vegan. I've been vegan. It's coming up soon to 5 years. So, you know, I'm hanging in there. I'm alive. I'm still alive. I'm not protein deficient yet. So you guys can totally be vegan too, and your pets. Don't forget that you can also go to Facebook and Google on their Facebook vegan dogs and join these groups. They will help you to veganize your dogs. They will help to teach you what to do. There are many different brands of vegan dog food that are approved by vets that you can give your dogs. Why pay for murder if you don't have to? Why kill other animals for our pets? All right, so thank you so much for listening, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Bye for now.